your overhead cans. Enough of the wordplay, I'm going to get crass. You're not fit to wipe.